This is Ardonyx. Ardonyx lived over 190 million years ago.
It was one of the early relatives of giant long-necked dinosaurs.
Ardonyx loved eating plants. It used its strong jaws to chew tough leaves.
My name means Earth Claw. I had powerful hands for grabbing food.
Ardonyx was learning new ways to walk,
Sometimes it ran on 2 legs.
and sometimes on 4.
Scientists think I was evolving into giant sauropods.
Ardonyx was strong and sturdy. Its powerful legs helped it travel far.
I grew up to 20 feet long. That's bigger than many cars.
Ardonyx lived over 90 million years ago.
It was one of the early relatives of giant long-necked dinosaurs. Lived during the early Jurassic period. Dinosaurs were beginning to rule the Earth. My fossils were discovered in South Africa. Scientists found my bones in 2009.